All right, here we are again on a pathway to nature. And I want to take you down the meaning pathway. This one's pretty fun. You get to get creative. You get to look around and see what connects. So here we have a tree. It's an oak. See, there's fungus coming out of it, coming out of its base. A living tree, a healthy tree, would not have that. And in fact, if I look up at the top, there is no top. Its head is gone. This tree is dead. Used to be alive. I'm alive. One day, I will die. But one of the cool things is, it still belongs here. It still has a place. The fungus are eating it. There's a hole up there. That could be a home. And when its pieces fall, come to the ground, they slowly break apart into their elemental forms, become part of the soil that nourishes more life, young and old. So, even though it's dead, it still has a place. It's still important. It's not gone. It's just different. It's transitioned into another phase. Or, actually, I'm gonna get distracted here for just a second. This is called wintergreen. It smells just like toothpaste or gum. I'm gonna enjoy that for a minute. You don't have to get stuck on one path. If you know all the paths, you can use them all. But anyways, I was down here looking at this acorn. That is a baby oak tree. That's the future. That's potential. That's leafy hopes and dreams. That's offspring of relatives nearby. That's food for the squirrels that I hear scurrying down there, and the blue jays. An acorn is a powerful thing. Or up here. Let's see. You see that right there? It's a witch hazel flower. A bunch of them. It's flowering right now. It's one of the latest flowering native things. It's making babies. Humans make babies. Life makes babies. That's how life goes on. We're not so different. Or, here's another flower for you. They're a little old. Big-leafed aster. It's in the same family as the sunflower. Sunflowers are cool. They follow the sun. The sun is the source of our life. And this plant right next to it, partridge berry. You don't see any of the berries. I don't see any of the flowers. But when they are flowering, they're just tiny little things, little pairs of flowers. They're in the coffee family. A lot of people like coffee. And if you get down on the ground and stick your nose in them, they smell amazing. Most people don't know that because they don't get down on the ground and stick their nose in things. Actually, here is one of the berries. Or, there's a tree down there. Let's check it out. Looks interesting. Might be something meaningful. This is a hole. Nature. The hole is a home. See more holes up there. Ooh. Yes, sorry, that's poop. Something's been here. Something's been eating these. I understand home. Home is a meaningful thing. It'd be worth pondering my home. Or, look at that. It's a distinctive tree. Oak. Started together, diverging from each other. I've got kids. They are growing up. They're diverging. I've got relationships that have diverged. I could name that Diverging Oaks. Now it has a name. Now it symbolizes something. Now it's special to me. Connection. Look at that oak. It's like a giant elephant foot. Stumped down, covered in moss. Feels like that could be part of a story. Stories carry meaning. There's a beautiful white pine. I like white pine. I bring one home every Christmas. Live with it for a while. It's also Michigan's state tree. So if you just slow down, walk around, look for things that remind you of things, they connect you with meaningful things. Now that I've spent some time in this spot, in nature, I actually feel surrounded by its meaning. And the next time I walk through here, I'll remember that. And I'll recall that history we have together. And I will feel more connected. So, that was the meaning pathway. And we dabbled a little bit in the sensory pathway as well. Feel free to mix them. They're more powerful that way. All right. Stay tuned for a third pathway.